Hey everybody, I've got an addition to our polyrhythmic studies. This one's going to be a little bit trickier. So we've done the 2 against 3, that's the hemiola. We did 3 against 4, those are fairly common and useful. Today we're going to do an odd one, literally and figuratively. So this is going to be 5 against 3. So this could be triplets versus quintuplets. This could be 3 times signature versus 5 times signature. It could be any group of 3 versus any group of 5 that repeats itself. So here's what we're going to do. Let's break it down into a sticking and let's break it down into a count to make it easy for us to understand. Because if I said pick one limb to play 5 and pick another limb to pick 3 on top of each other, you'd have a pretty hard time doing that. So we're going to bypass all that and make it easy. So we'll pick the right hand to do the 5. The right hand's doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pretty easy. The coordination is going to be this. The left hand's doing 3. You could do this between your 2 feet, you could do it between your hands and feet, but we're doing it right and left, right? So 3 with the left, 5 with the right. It's going to be together, and then the right is on 2. And then you're going to do this sort of seesaw, not seesaw motion, your wave motion, like a wee, like that, where it's going to be a 3. So you've got 1, 2, 3 is the first, right? So that's the first one. 3 is by itself, and then you have 4, and then you have E. So that's going to be 4E. So the first one is left to right when we do a 3. 4E is going to be right to left, 4E. And then 5. So it's going to be together, right, left, right, right, left, right. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4E, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4E, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4E, 5. That cymbal stand is squeaky. Let's not use that. Let's use, I'll use the rim. That one's a little weird. It doesn't feel very natural. It's not super difficult. So why do we do these things? Well, we might do it by accident. We might be able to use this. And more importantly, it's a brain exercise to make sure that we're able to feel different pulses at the same time. So let's say you're playing in a band, and let's say the bass player, guitar player, piano player goes off time or does something weird. They don't take you with them, and it's not a complete train wreck. You could be able to hear what they're playing and keep where you're playing and then get back on track. Or you could do it on purpose to create some interesting play. Not everything has to fit inside of this nice, 4/4 box. So once again, the count would be 1, 2, 3, 4E, 5. Not that bad. There it is. You could do this against any limb. I recommend doing it against any limb. Once you get this down, then maybe go from your hemiola 2 against 3 into your 3 against 4 into your 3 against 5. All 3 of those have 3 in common, so you can keep one limb going on 3 while you cycle through the others with the other limb, or vice versa. So there's many ways to practice this. There's many applications to this. It's worth learning. The next ones are going to get even weirder. We got 5 against 4 coming up. We got 6 against 4 coming up. 7 against 3, 7 against 4, 7 against 5. Pretty much you name it. But anyway, that's that. Hopefully you can use this. Hopefully it makes a little bit of sense. I know this is a little bit more complicated and a little bit more abstract, but cool stuff. And if you have any problems, questions, concerns, reach out. And if not, then I'll see you next time.